Anna is a dentist and was desperately in need of new clients for her clinic. With Builderall, Anna created a page to capture the emails and phone numbers from potential local clients interested in a free teeth cleaning. With a few clicks, she was able to leverage her local campaign on Facebook and work with the leads capture funnel, which comes with Builderall. In just 6 weeks, Anna brought in dozens of new clients and leads that she can stay in touch with by taking advantage of Builderall's email marketing tool. How about you? What's your story? Would you like to leverage your business or idea and turn yourself into the successful entrepreneur that you've always wanted to be? Here, you can transform your $1 million idea into a $1 million business. I am Eric Salgado, and I am inviting you now to register on Builderall to get immediate access to all our tools, courses, trainings, and sales funnels. You will be pleasantly surprised by all we have to offer. We can work together to write your success story on the internet. Builderall is the most complete online business platform available to anyone, anywhere, and I created it for people just like you. So sign up now.